ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शुक्लयजुर्वेदीय काण्वशाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद भाष्य is on Kanvashaka. Upanishad is there in both Madhyandina as well as Kanva. Page number 306. We have to see the mantra explanation. I had recited the mantra last time. So after the Srishti of Chaturvarnya in Devatas, now the Srishti of Chaturvarnya in Manushya has to happen. Tadetad Brahma Kshatram vid Shudras. These four varnas, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Tad Agnina eva Deveshu Brahma Abhavat. Now what is said is that Agni among Devatas became Brahmana. This Agni Utpatti we have already seen earlier in the beginning of Brihadaranyaka, in the first chapter. Agni Brahmana was there, second Brahmana was Agni Brahmana, first Brahmana was Ashwamedha. After that, in the Ghata Bhashya, means that Ghata Bhashya was in Agni Brahmana. So that Agni is Brahmana. That Agni Utpatti was discussed. And now here Kshatriya Adi Utpatti were discussed. Brahma Bhavat, Deveshu Brahma Bhavat. Brahmano Manusheshu, Kshatriyena Kshatriyo, Vaishyena Vaishyaha, Shudrena Shudras. So Agnina eva Deveshu Brahma Abhavat Brahmano. In this way you have to read the sentence. Agni Roop Brahmana among Devatas became Brahmana in Manushya. Then Kshatriyena Kshatriyo. So the Kshatriyas are Rupa of the Devata Kshatriya. Manushya Kshatriyas are Rupa of Devata Kshatriya. In this way we should understand. Similarly, Vaishya Shudra. Tasmat Agnaveva Deveshu Lokam Ichhante. Brahmane Manusheshu Etabhyam Hi Rupabhyam Brahma Bhavat. Tasmat Agnaveva Deveshu Lokam Ichhante. So, those who want to go and become Devata, that Loka Prapti, they do all the karma in Agni. In other words, from Agni, all these expressions are given. This Agni among Manushyas in Brahmana Rupa became Brahmana. Among Kshatriyas, Kshatriya Rupena Kshatriya, Vaishya Rupena Vaishya, Shudra Rupena Shudra. So Agni, there also Kshatriya in Devatas we saw. Agni gives its powers to Kshatriya in the Rajasuya, etc. And then Agni says, you are Brahma. Then Kshatriya will say, no, 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 you are. Like that. Brahmane manusheshu etabhyam hi rupabhyam brahma bhavat. Brahmane, in Brahmana jati, among Manushas, etabhyam hi rupabhyam, by these rupas, Brahma bhavat, it became Brahma. How? Brahma means Brahmana, among Manushas. अथ यो हवा अस्माल्लोकात् स्वं लोकं अदृष्ट्वा प्रैति स एनम् अविदितो न भुनक्ति. So Nama Rupabhyam, both of them are expressions of that one Brahma alone. Atha yo hava asmad lokat swam lokam adrishtva praiti. Swam lokam means Atma lokam, not knowing Atma. Asmad lokat praiti, the one who departs from here. Saha enam avidito na bhunakti. Then such a person aviditaha, because he does not know, na bhunakti, he will not get any enjoyment. Any enjoyment means in Bhashya it is given in this way. Shoka moha nivritti will not happen. Means that bhoga will be always with shoka moha. Or bhunakti you can take as palanam. Like sahana vavatu, sahano bhunaktu. So that bhunaktu means palayatu. Saha palayatu in this way. Yatha vedo va ananukto. Anyadva karma akritam. It is like ananukta Veda, not ukta Veda. So, without study of Veda, how a person is, like that, person who does not know Atma also will be incomplete. Or any karma which is incomplete, akritam karma, anyadva. So, karma is there but anushtanam is not complete. It will not give phalam. Like that, this person does not have anything to protect him if he does not know Atma. Means he will get burnt every time with the hot axe. Chandogya 8th chapter. यदि हवा अपि अनेवं वित् महत् पुण्यम कर्म करोति तद्हास्य अंततः क्षीयत एव. Even if somebody does mahat punyam karma, still it will be kshiyate, because any karma phalam will be anitya, so this kshaya will be there. Atmanam eva lokam upasita. Saya atmanam eva lokam upaste na asya karma kshiyate. Atmanam eva lokam upaste. The one who upaste here means the one who seeks Atma, then his karma will not be kshinam, na kshiyate. Shikshaya is the dhatu. Shikshaye. So karma na kshiyate means his jnanam will remain intact. With that, what will happen? That is further. Asmad hi eva atmano yad yad kamayate tat tat srijate. Then such person, whatever kamana he will do, he will get it. Jnani. So now in Bhashya. Tadetad चातुर्वर्ण्यम सृष्टम ब्रह्म क्षत्रम विट्शूद्र इति उत्तरार्थ उपसंहारः. Chatur is the Pratipadika. Chatur. From that, Chatur Varnyam. Srishtam Brahma Kshatram Vitshudra iti Uttarartha Upasamhara. These four are created. Purvatra टीका पूर्वत्र देवेषु दर्शितस्य वर्ण विभागस्य मनुष्येषु उत्तर ग्रंथेन योजनार्थ इति यावत्. Whatever earlier was shown among devatas, the varna vibhaga, now we have to apply in manushya in the uttar granthena yojanartha iti yavat. सृष्ट वर्ण चतुष्टय निविष्टम अवांतर विभागम अभिधातुम आरभते. सृष्ट वर्ण चतुष्टय निविष्टम अवांतर विभागम. In the varna chatushtaya avantar vibhagam, what is given? Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. This is avantar vibhaga. To define it, abhidhatum, to name it, arabhate. Yat tad srashtr brahma tad agninaiva nanyena rupena deveshu brahma brahmana jati rabhavat brahmano brahmana swarupena मनुष्येषु ब्रह्म अभवत् इतरेषु वर्णेषु विकारांतरम प्राप्य क्षत्रियेण क्षत्रियो अभवत्. So yat tat srashtra brahma tad agnina eva na anyara rupena. Agni rupena alone, that Brahma first became Agni. Then Agnina eva, Agni rupena deveshu Brahma, Brahmana jati hi abhavat. He became Brahmana jati. Then Brahmano, Brahmana swarupena, Brahmana as Brahmana, Manusheshu Brahma abhavat. Among Manushas, he became Brahma. Itareshu Varneshu, Brahma means Brahmana. Among Manushya, he became Brahmana. Then Agni as is became Brahmana. But Itareshu Varneshu Vikarantaram Prapya Kshatriyena Kshatriyo Abhavat Indradi Devata Dishtito Dishtito Vaishyena Vaishya Shudrena Shudra. So Agni among Manushas also as is became Brahmana. And then for Kshatriya Vaishya Shudra Vikarantaram Prapya. He had to undergo some parinama, modification. and kshatriyena kshatriyo indradi devata adhishthito. Presided by Indradi, he became kshatriya in Manushas. Presided by the Vaishya devatas, these Aditya, Vasu, etc., he became Vaishya among Manushas. And Shudrena, what was the Drishtanta? Prithvi. What was the name used for Prithvi?
Pusha.
Pusha. Tika. सृष्टवर्ण चतुष्टय निविष्टम अवांतर विभाग नान्येन देवतांतर रूपेण क्षत्रादि विकारम अंतरेण इति यावत् न अन्येन देवांतर रूपेण क्षत्रादि विकारम अंतरेण. This is the for Brahmana, no other devantar rupa, no vikara as is. Vikarantaram Agni Brahmana Lakshanam. Vikarantaram is Agni Brahmana Lakshanam. What is the Tippani? Ajnatmaka Brahmana Lakshanam. Vikarantaram means without any real modification. Agni himself is Brahmana. Means a Brahmana who lives according to their dharma. That Brahmana constantly he has Agni in his mind also. Either they are doing some karma or some puja, lighting a lamp, etc. Agni is there, and Veda, Parayan, etc. That Vacho Devata Vannihi, there also Agni is Mukhya for him. Surya Upasana they do, there also Agni. In Dyuloka it is Agni. So Agni is there throughout in the life of such Brahmana. Hmm? Hmm. Nachiketa Brahman. That's why when he goes there, it is further in Tika. Tatriyena इति अत्र विवक्षितम् अर्थमाह इंद्रादि देवता अधिष्ठित इति. क्षत्रियेण मीन्स इंद्रादि देवता अधिष्ठितेन. वैश्येन इति वस्वादि अधिष्ठितत्वम् उच्यते. पूषादि शूद्रेण इति पूषादि अधिष्ठितत्वम्. अग्न्यादि भावम् आपन्नस्य क्षत्रादि भावो न तु क्षत्रादि भावम् आपन्नस्य अग्न्यादि भाव इति एतावन्मात्रेण ब्रह्मणो विकृतत्व अविकृतत्वम् अग्नि ब्राह्मण स्तुत्यर्थम उक्तम. अग्न्यादि भावम् आपन्नस्य क्षत्रादि भावो. अग्न्यादि भाव आपन्न ब्रह्म मीन्स ब्राह्मण becomes क्षत्रिय. Not the other way. न तु क्षत्रादि भावम् आपन्नस्य अग्न्यादि भाव इति एतावन्मात्रेण ब्रह्मणो विकृतत्व अविकृतत्वम् अग्नि ब्राह्मण स्तुत्यर्थम. ब्रह्मणो विकृतत्व अविकृतत्व. विकृतत्व फॉर क्षत्रिय वैश्य शूद्र, अविकृतत्व फॉर ब्राह्मण. अग्नि ब्राह्मण स्तुत्यर्थम. So this is the stuti of Agni Brahmana. Agni Brahmana means Agni as a Brahmana, or in Agni that Brahmana buddhi if you have, it is a stuti. It is upasana. Uktam अभिप्रेत्य तस्माद इत्यादि व्याचष्टे. in Bhashya, Yasmat Kshatradiषु विकारापन्नम अग्नौ ब्राह्मण एव च अविकृतम. Kshatradiषु विकारापन्नम अग्नौ ब्राह्मण एव च अविकृतम स्रष्टृ ब्रह्म. तस्मात् अग्नावेव देवेषु देवानां मध्ये लोकं कर्मफलम् इच्छन्ति अग्नि संबंधम कर्म कृत्वेत्यर्थः. यस्मात् क्षत्रादिषु विकारापन्नम, among kshatriyas विकारापन्नम अग्नौ ब्राह्मण एव. So among kshatriyas, that Agni, Brahmana undergone modification. Or Brahma, Srashtra Brahma, Kshatradishu Vikarapanna. Agnau Brahmana evacha avikritam. Srashtra. Brahmana evacha avikritam. ब्रह्म. तस्माद् अग्नावेव देवेषु देवानां मध्ये लोकं कर्मफलम् इच्छन्ति. Therefore, अग्नौ एव देवेषु देवानां मध्ये, among devatas, lokam karmaphalam icchanti. Agnaveva, in Agni alone, they expect the karma phala. Means they do karma in Agni, they will get the karma phala in Devata Loka, Devana Madhya. Icchanti, Agni Sambadham karma kritva ityartha. Associated with Agni, they will do karma. In other words, Agni is their means to higher lokas. So they are constantly, and they have to keep that Agni burning all the time. It should not go away. At the same time, that Agni should not burn their house. Otherwise, they have to do one Ishti. We saw that in Artha Sangraha. Yathokta prarthanaya nyayatvam sadhayati. This prarthana is nyaya. Nyayatvam. There is a sutra for 2 years. I will have to.
धर्मपथ्यर्थन्यायादनपेते.
Dharma pathyartha nyayad anapete. Dharma, pathi, artha, nyaya. So in all of them, dharma will become dharmya, yat pratyaya, patha, pathya, artha, arthya, nyaya, nyaya. Four 92. So nyayatvam sadhayati. Tadartham eva hi tad brahma karmadhikaranattvena agni rupena vyavasthitam. Tad artham eva hi tad brahma. That brahma, for this sake alone, tad artham eva karma adhikaranattvena. It is the adhikaranam for karma. Karma adhikaranattvena agni rupena vyavasthitam. It is there as agni. Tasmat tasmin agnau karma kritva tat phalam prarthayante iti etad upapannam. Therefore, in that Agni, they perform karma and expect the phalam, tat phalam prarthayante. Because all srishti is from Agni. Agni was the prathama. Karma phala danartham iti avat. तदर्थम एव मीन्स कर्म फल दानार्थम. टीका मनुष्याणां मध्ये कमपि मनुष्यम अवलंब्य कर्मफल भोगापेक्षायाम अधिकरण संप्रदान भावेन अवस्थित अग्नि इंद्रादि निमित्त क्रियापेक्षा नास्ति, किंतु ब्राह्मण जाति प्राप्ति मात्रेण तत्संबद्धम जप्यादि कर्मावश्यम भावी इति तन्मात्रेण पुरुषार्थ सिद्ध्यति इति प्रतीक ग्रहण पूर्वकम आह. In the second line, karma avashyam bhavi. Avashyam bhavi is one shabda. ब्राह्मणे मनुष्याणां मध्ये among manushas kamapi manusham avalambya, any one manushya कर्म फल भोग अपेक्षायाम अधिकरण संप्रदान भावेन अवस्थिता, in any one मनुष्य अधिकरण रूपेण संप्रदान रूपेण एक्सेट्रा अवस्थिता अग्नि इंद्र दी देवतास निमित्त क्रिया अपेक्षा नास्ति, निमित्त क्रिया अपेक्षा नास्ति, किंतु ब्राह्मण जाति प्राप्ति मात्रेण तत्संबद्धम जप्यादि कर्म अवश्यम भावी इति. So what is said here is, in Bhashya it is clarified further, for Brahmana jati prapti, once you have, immediately Brahmana karma is avashyam bhavi, you have to do. Japyadi, japa etc. and other karma also, what is appropriate for Brahmana jati, means nitya karma. Kamya karma you don't have to do, it is up to you. But nitya karma, they have to be done. Japyadi. And by that alone, Purushartha Siddhi. Brahmane Manusheshu Manushyanam Punaha Madhye Karma Phale Chayam. Brahmane Manusheshu, among Brahmanas, among Manushyas, and among Manushyas also Karma Phale Chayam. Na Agnyadi Nimitta Kriya Apeksha. Agnyadi Nimitta Kriya Apeksha is not there. Means Vishesha Agnyadi Nimitta Kriya Apeksha is not there. Kintarhi जाति मात्र स्वरूप प्रतिलंबेन एव पुरुषार्थ सिद्धि. जाति मात्र में ब्राह्मण जाति. इफ यू गेट ब्राह्मण जाति, जपादि कर्म इज अवश्यम भाव. बाय दैट पुरुषार्थ सिद्धि विल हैपन. तो टीका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दैट भाष्य वाक्य. Not that just because somebody is Brahmana, therefore Purushartha. Because if you just read this, Jati Matra Swarupa Pratilambena eva Purushartha Siddhi. Jati Matra is there, therefore Japyadi Karma becomes Avashyam Bhavi. Japa means Gayatri Japa, etc., what they do. And then the Agnihotradi, by that Purushartha Siddhi. Means by that Chitta Shuddhi will come. That is further given in Smriti quotation is also given. यत्र तु देवाधीना पुरुषार्थ सिद्धिस तत्रैव अज्ञादि संबद्ध क्रिया अपेक्षा. If the purushartha siddhi which depends upon devatas, then there you will have to do ajnadi sambandha kriya, means vishesha karma. So that is kutra tarhi yathokta kriya apeksha. Where kriya apeksha is there, where deva adhina purushartha se. Devatas will bless you. देवानां मध्ये अग्निसंबद्धम एव कर्म कृत्वा पुरुषार्थ लाभो मनुष्याणां मध्ये तु ब्राह्मण्य प्रयुक्त जप्यादि मात्रेण तत्प्राप्ति इति अत्र प्रमाणम् आह. Among devatas, देवानां मध्ये अग्निसंबद्धम एव कर्म कृत्वा. अग्निसंबद्ध कर्म alone if you do among devata, then पुरुषार्थ लाभ. मनुष्याणां ब्राह्मण्य प्रयुक्त जप्यादि मात्रेण, जप आदिपदेन नित्य कर्म, जप्यादि मात्रेण तत्प्राप्ति इति अत्र प्रमाणम आह. So there is a pramanam for that. Smritescha जप्येनैव तु संसिद्ध्येद ब्राह्मणो नात्र संशयः कुर्यादन्यन्न वा कुर्यान् मैत्रो ब्राह्मण उच्यते. जप्येनैव ब्राह्मणो संसिद्ध्येत. By japa karma, brahmana will get samsiddhi. Natra samshaya. Samsiddhi means krama mukti. Without japa, you are not brahmana. Means a brahmana has to do japa. The sannyasis are not brahmana, kshatriya, vaishya, but when somebody is in brahmacharya, grahastha, vanaprastha, they must do japa. Yajnanam japa yajñosmi, Bhagavan has given. The shloka said, Japyenaiva tu samsiddhyed brahmana. Brahmana japyenaiva संसिद्ध्येत नात्र संशय. अन्यत् कर्म न वा कुर्यात्. और कुर्यात्, कुर्यात् न वा कुर्यात्. Other karma, if he does or not, is not as significant. And who is this Brahmana in Tika? Japya grahanam jati matra prayukta karma upalakshanartham. See, Japya grahanam is only upalakshana. Upalakshana means you have to do nitya karma also, not only japa. Nitya naimittika also, it is jati matra prayukta karma upalakshana. Jati matra, Brahmana jati prayukta karma upalakshana, Japya grahana. Anyad agni sambadham karma. Anya nava kuryat, agni sambadha karma, if he does or not, is not as relevant. But if he does nitya naimittika, it's good. Kamya he doesn't have to do. Who is this Brahmana? Koyam Brahmano nama tatraha Maitra. Maitra is Brahmana. सर्वेषु भूतेषु अभयप्रदो विशिष्ट जातिमान इति यावत्. This is how Brahmana should be. Sarveshu bhuteshu abhayapradaha. Sannyasi also. All sannyasis actually they have to be on par with Brahmana. Because they have to be sarveshu bhuteshu abhayapradaha. They have to give abhayam to all. Nobody should be afraid of me. In this way. When they take sannyasa, they recite this and also give ahuti. I am not here to compete with anybody. I am not here to do hinsa to anybody. विशिष्ट जातिमान इति यावत् ननु यथोक्त स्मृतेर ब्राह्मण्य प्रतिलंब मात्राद अभ्युदय लाभे अपि कुतस्ततो निश्रेयस सिद्धिस्तत्राह. The question is, in the smriti that is quoted, yathokta smritehe, brahmanya pratilamba matra, just because somebody has attained brahmanyam, abhyudaya labhe api, abhyudaya may one may get, how nishreyasa one will get, moksha how one will get. That's the question. In Bhashya, Parivrajya Darshanachya. So Nishreyasa Siddhi is, he has to take sannyas also. Now you see, this Bhashyakar connects sannyasa to Brahmana. He says all Brahmanas should take this. Brahmana vyuthaya atha bhikshacharyan charanti iti brahmanasya parivraज्यम श्रूयते तच्च संन्यासात् ब्रह्मणः स्थानम इति ब्रह्मलोक साधनम गम्यते. ब्राह्मणस्य पारिव्राज्यम श्रूयते. In this comes later, atha bhikshacharyan charanti 4:422. What is the tippani number? 10 number. Quotation is given 4:422 and 351 also. So for a Brahmana, Brahmaloka Prapti is through sannyasa. Means if you do japa, you do nitya naimittika karma, and then you take sannyasa and follow sannyasa dharma. Even if a Brahmana doesn't have jnanam, he will get Brahmaloka. That is what is given. Sannyasad brahmanah sthanam iti brahmaloka sadhanam. Parivrajyam brahmaloka sadhanam. Sannyasa will give brahmaloka to a brahmana. Atascha brahmana jati nimittam lokam icchanti iti yuktam ityartha. And therefore, brahmana jati nimittam lokam. Brahmana jati will become nimitta, and then tan nimittam lokam brahmalokam icchanti. In the form of karma phalam. ब्राह्मणे मनुष्येषु इति अस्य अर्थम उपसंहरति. ब्राह्मणे मनुष्येषु, among brahmanas manushas, उपसंहरति तस्मात् ब्राह्मणत्वे एव मनुष्येषु लोकम कर्मफलम इच्छन्ति. ब्राह्मणत्वे मनुष्येषु लोकम कर्मफलम इच्छन्ति. यस्माद् एताभ्यां हि ब्राह्मणाग्नि रूपाभ्यां कर्म कर्तृ अधिकरण रूपाभ्याम यत् सृष्टृ ब्रह्म साक्षाद अभवत्. That srashta Brahma became sakshat by this Brahmana Agni Rupa. Brahmana Agni Rupabhyam Karma Kartra Adhikarana Rupabhyam. Karma Kartri is Brahmana. Karma Adhikarana is Agni. Brahmana and Agni, they are Karma Karta and Karma Adhikarana. So Brahma became both of them, Sakshat. Tika. Hetu Vakyam Adaya Vyachashte Yasmat. Yasmat etabhyam. Since this is the case, therefore, so you have to read this way. Yasmat etabhyam first, then tasmat brahmanatveva manusheshu lokam karma phalam icchanti. Yad srashtu brahma tadetabhyam yasmat साक्षाद अभवत तस्माद अग्नावेव इत्यादि युक्तम इति योजना. Therefore, in Agni alone, all these offering etc. are made and the results are obtained. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.